If we see any severe weather later on today, the main threats with that are going to be gusty winds as well as heavy rainfall, which could cause some localized flooding. These temperatures will be dropping very quickly, and on the backside of that cold front where those temperatures are colder, we could see some of that rain transition over into sleet, wintry mix, or possibly even just a little bit of snow. That low relative humidity does elevate our risk for wildfires, and tomorrow the wind is going to pick up, which is going to elevate that threat even more. Today, a complete turnaround from yesterday. Yesterday we set a new record high temperature. It was sunny, dry. Today, totally flip it. We're finally seeing some rain, and it is going to be much colder. Those temperatures are going to climb to right around 90 degrees today, but when you factor in that humidity, it's going to feel more like the mid to even upper 90s. But we have a high pressure sitting right off to our east, and that is kind of keeping that at bay for the time being. Scattered showers and storms through much of the evening. Some of those storms could be strong or possibly even severe. Our temperatures were in the mid to upper 60s very early this morning. As that cold front moved through, we've dropped through the 50s, 40s, and most of us are now in the 30s. This high pressure system works its way closer to eastern Kentucky. It's going to clear those skies out for us. Those will be mostly clear through the overnight hours and into the start of your Sunday. Then as this high pressure system starts to work its way off to our east, it's going to bring some warmer air up from the south. So tomorrow is actually going to be about 10 degrees warmer than today. But as this high pressure system works off to our east and a cold front begins to work in from our west, it is going to finally bring us some real measurable rain, something we have needed desperately for quite some time now. Definitely want to grab that coat because we are off to a very chilly start, and maybe give yourself a little extra time to scrape the frost off the windshield. Ragweed pollen is very high for this time of year, so I know my allergies are driving me crazy. If you have the sniffles today, this is probably why. But that cold front sweeps through Monday night into Tuesday, and we finally see those temperatures drop back to where they're supposed to be this time of year. Wind speeds anywhere from 10 to 15 miles per hour at times this afternoon, and we could see gusts as strong as 20 to 25 miles per hour. Now, when you factor in that wind to our already chilly temperatures, it's going to feel even colder. Our wind chill values this afternoon will be about 5 to 10 degrees cooler than our actual temperatures. Great weather for trick-or-treating as we head into the afternoon hours. Partly cloudy with those temperatures in the mid 70s. Going to see a line of scattered showers and storms work its way into eastern Kentucky out ahead of this cold front. That cold front will continue to make its way over the mountains and off to our east, and as it does so, as we head into your Tuesday morning, we'll see those skies begin to clear and cooler air settle into eastern Kentucky. A fairly nice day for some football with those temperatures in the mid 50s throughout the duration of the game. Could be a little breezy at times under partly cloudy skies, but as long as you have that jacket handy, should be a nice day to be out. And clear weather also is going to make for some nice viewing of the supermoon. Tonight and tomorrow night will be the best times to view that. This moon is the closest full moon we've had since 1948. It will be 14% bigger and 30% brighter than a normal full moon.
Well, it's a little chilly outside, but at least we're going to have some pretty dry weather.
Yeah, and actually you mentioned that. That sounds like a good thing because we all love some sunshine.
True.
But right now, dry weather is actually not a good thing. As we go ahead and take a look at our drought map across eastern Kentucky right now, most of eastern Kentucky is in either a severe or extreme drought right now because we have had so little rain this month. As we take a look, just a quick glance at what November has brought us so far. We have been in at least a moderate drought since the beginning of the month. Then we increased it to a severe, and then since Tuesday, at least portions of eastern Kentucky have been under an extreme drought.